Kia ora. My name is Ria Vandervis and welcome to Ria Renovates. Today I'm going to be renovating this very drab corner of my kitchen, currently painted white. I'm going to liven it up with a coat of paint and show you how easy it is to transform a space using Monarch products. So firstly, I have popped down the Monarch leak-proof canvas. It's an awesome product because it's got a plastic backing, which means that any paint I do drop on the ground isn't going to seep through and ruin my newly renovated floors. And of course, it's reusable, so it's not something you're going to throw away. Next up here, I've got the moulding and skirting brush. You can see that that's got a nice angled edge, so that's perfect for doing trims, cornices and skirtings, doing that cutting in. And I've soaked that for 10 minutes before I start painting. Next up, I've got the Monarch 230mm roller and the tray that fits perfectly in it. Again, it's really nice quality, so it's not something you're going to throw away afterwards. It's something that you will reuse and reuse again. And then finally, this here is the Smart Lock mini roller, which I just love because it gets into the hard to reach places, and it also can be stored really easily in this canister afterwards, which keeps it fresh for about 2 weeks. So, because the walls are already prepped with undercoat, I think we can get started. So here is the after. As you can see, a quick coat of paint is a great way to transform part of your home. The second coat goes on much more easily than the first coat. And when you use Monarch, it's quick, easy and cost effective. Thanks for watching.